Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where I like to cook a lot of Mexican food. I know it's not authentic, but I give it my best shot. It's still a heck of a lot better than these authentic restaurants around town. Today we're going to make Chile Colorado with pork. To a pot we're going to bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Now that the water is boiling, we're going to add 4 ancho chilies, 10 guajillo chilies, and for the spice, 3 chile de árbol. And we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to let this sit and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Now once the chilies have softened, we're going to remove the stems and add the chilies to the blender. Now we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a half a bay leaf, and 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to add in about 1/8 of a stick of cinnamon and 2 cups of chicken broth. And we blend until smooth. We're going to heat 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Now that the oil is hot, we're going to add our sauce to the pan. And we're going to bring it to a boil. Now that we brought the sauce to a boil, we're going to add in 4 cups of cooked pork. I smoked this pork yesterday. Now we're going to simmer over medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Now as it's cooking, if the sauce starts to thicken up too much, you can add another 1/4 or a half a cup of chicken broth to thin it out a little bit. Now that it's simmered for 10 minutes, it's time to turn off the heat. And it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Pretty darn good for a gringo. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.